Listen, in this page, I will never tell you that I'm gonna teach you something new or something better. The fact, if you want, we are going to do it together. We are going to have fun together, because it is not only me, it's us. It's the reason why I will always mention that I will always need you to participate with me, because it is not only me, it is us. Leave a comment below. Leave a comment, because it's for why I'm gonna know why I am here. It's the fact. I need you to participate with me. Leave a comment. Tell me what you know. Tell me what you want to know. Tell me what I'm going to do for why. It's the real reason that I am here. Let me hear you. Let me know what you need. Let me know what you want me to know. What you want me to do. It is not only me, but it is us.